How to unmute a conversation on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, it's me Smile, and in this video I will teach you how you can mute and unmute a conversation on your WhatsApp. So for that, first of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of WhatsApp on your phone. For that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store of your phone. On the Google search bar, you can simply tap for WhatsApp and then install the latest version of WhatsApp on your device so that you won't miss out any new features on your WhatsApp. After you do that, just log into your WhatsApp account using your phone number and open your WhatsApp. So if there is any of the conversation that you want to mute or unmute, then what you can simply do is just tap a long press on that very account on the top three vertical dot. There are many options right here, but there are no option of mute or unmute. So that means you cannot mute or unmute by that. Further, what you can simply do is go and tap on this person's profile, tap on the eye icon, and after that you can just tap on mute notifications. As you wish, you can tap on always, 1 week and 8 hours, and if you want to unmute it, simply unmute it again. Hope this helps you. If you like the video, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.